This mini projector is built for people who want instant big-screen entertainment without the commitment of a full home theater setup. It's compact, lightweight, and designed to be used anywhere, which makes it especially appealing for families, kids, and anyone who enjoys casual movie nights. Instead of focusing on complex features, it prioritizes ease of use, portability, and everyday fun. The size is one of its strongest points. It's small enough to move from room to room without effort, and light enough to carry outdoors when needed. You can place it on a table, shelf, or any flat surface, point it at a wall, and within minutes you have a large viewing area ready to go. This flexibility makes it ideal for bedrooms, kids' rooms, backyard movie nights, and even travel use. The overall experience is designed to be stress-free. The interface is simple, the controls are straightforward, and the included remote allows easy navigation from a distance. That makes it suitable for users of all ages. Kids can enjoy their favorite cartoons, while adults can quickly set up movies or videos without adjusting complicated settings. Connectivity is another area where this projector delivers solid value. It supports multiple input options, allowing you to connect USB drives, laptops, media players, and other compatible devices. This means you can watch stored videos, stream content through external devices, or display photos and animations with ease. It functions as a flexible entertainment solution rather than a limited display device. Visual performance is tuned for comfortable viewing rather than technical perfection. In dim or dark environments, the LED projection produces bright and colorful images that look especially good with animated content. Cartoons and family movies feel more immersive on a large projected screen compared to smaller displays like phones or tablets. The projection size adds excitement, even for everyday content. Audio performance is practical for its size. The built-in speaker is clear and loud enough for small rooms and casual viewing sessions. It works well for kids' shows, cartoons, and movies without requiring external speakers right away. For users who want enhanced sound later, connecting external audio devices remains an option. One of the biggest advantages of this mini projector is how often you'll actually use it. Because it's easy to set up and easy to move, it doesn't become a forgotten gadget. You can quickly bring it out for a movie night, a kid's cartoon session, or an outdoor viewing experience. That convenience makes it more enjoyable than larger, more complicated projectors. As a gift, this projector stands out. It's entertaining, practical, and suitable for different age groups. Kids love watching cartoons on a big wall, and parents appreciate how simple and manageable it is. It turns everyday entertainment into something more engaging without adding unnecessary complexity. If you're looking for a portable mini projector that works well for kids' content, family movies, outdoor viewing, and casual home entertainment, this option offers a balanced mix of simplicity, flexibility, and value. To check the current price or learn more details, visit the link provided in the description.